Good morning, children. Welcome back to our IT class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Chapter 7, Introduction to Python. Have you all heard about Python language? What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language. It is used for writing computer programs. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. So, the language Python is developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. So, Python is a high-level programming language. It is used for writing computer programs. Next, let's see what are the different uses of Python language. First one, Python is used for developing games. Second one, graphical user interface programs. It is used to develop graphical user interface programs. Third one, Python is used for developing websites. Fourth one, web application. So these are the uses of Python. Python is used to develop games, graphical user interface programs, websites, as well as web applications. Next, let's see what are the features of Python language. So these are the features. First one, easy to code. Second one, Python is a open source language. Third feature is it is object oriented. Python language is object oriented. Fourth one is integrated and extensible language. Python is integrated and extensible language. Fifth one is interpreted language. Last one is Python is dynamically typed language. So these are the different features of Python language. The first feature is easy to code. That is, writing programs in Python language is very easy as compared to other high-level language. Because Python language is very similar to English language. So we can easily understand the language and we can easily write the code for Python. Next feature is open source language. Python is free and open source programming language. What is open source language? Open source means it's a language that can be improved and distributed by anyone. Python can be downloaded free of cost and it can be used in any operating system such as Windows, Mac and Linux. Third feature is object oriented. Python has an object oriented approach. That is, while writing the program in Python, it uses the concept of object and class, etc. This is known as object oriented. Next feature is integrated and extensible language. Python is integrated and extensible language. We can easily integrate Python with some other languages such as C or C++. So, Python is called an integrated and extensible language. We can easily integrate Python language with some other languages such as C and C++. Next feature is interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. The code you write in Python is executed line by line so that it will be very easy to correct the errors. While execution, the code written in Python will be immediately converted into an intermediate code that is known as bytecode. While execution, the Python code will immediately converted into an intermediate form. This form or this code is known as bytecode. The last feature is dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. That is, you need not to declare the type of the variable in advance. That is, while writing the code, normally we have to declare the type of the variables. But in the case of Python, we do not need to declare the type of the variables in advance. That is called dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language.
Installing Python. Python is a free and easy to use computer language. Anyone can download Python software from http://www.python.org/downloads website.
So children, we have come to the end of today's session. Today we have started a new chapter, that is Introduction to Python. Python is a high-level programming language used for writing computer programs. And we have learned different uses of Python and different features of Python language. Hope all of you understood the topic that we have discussed today. For any doubts or clarifications, we will discuss in live class. Thank you.